Bad days. We all have them. Some are just spill coffee on your shirt bad. Others are everything you've worked for is now on fire bad. And the worst part? You can't really escape them. You can try running, but bad days are faster than you. They're like taxes or Marvel movies. They just keep coming. So what do you do when life throws a brick at your face? You go philosophical. Now, I'm not talking about lighting incense, chanting in Sanskrit, and pretending you're okay while your life collapses. I'm talking about pocket philosophy, simple, sharp, and a little cynical. The kind of wisdom you can pull out in the middle of chaos, like a pocket knife, except instead of stabbing someone, you're stabbing your own anxiety. 1. Marcus Aurelius. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius was the emperor of Rome, basically the CEO of the ancient world. And even he had bad days. Wars, plagues, betrayal, and no, he couldn't just block people on Instagram. His advice? Control what you can control, and let the rest burn if it has to. Sounds simple, right? Until you realize most of your stress comes from things you have zero control over. Your boss being an idiot, your friend ghosting you, the universe not revolving around your plans. Imagine you're like Zuko from Avatar, the last airbender. He spent years chasing something he thought would fix him, his father's approval. But the moment he stopped chasing, he actually found peace. That's Marcus Aurelius in anime form. Stop trying to win battles that don't need to be fought. 2. Epictetus. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Epictetus started life as a slave. Not exactly the kind of guy you expect to give motivational speeches, but he figured something out. Life is basically 10% what happens and 90% how you choose to handle it. Think of it like Spike Spiegel from Cowboy Bebop. Things blow up around him constantly. Ships crash, jobs fail, friends disappear. And what does he say? Whatever happens, happens. Sometimes the smartest thing you can do on a bad day is nothing. Not in the lazy, I'll never pay my bills way. In the I refuse to let this nonsense own me way. 3. Schopenhauer. A man can do what he wills, but he cannot will what he wills. Translation. You're not as free as you think. Your moods, your desires, your reactions, they're all shaped by things you can't fully control. Your brain chemistry, your childhood, the fact that it's raining and you forgot an umbrella. Schopenhauer would tell you, stop trying to be happy all the time. Happiness is like a cat. The more you chase it, the more it runs away. It's like watching BoJack Horseman. He has money, fame, success, and still feels like garbage. Because no achievement can permanently fix the human condition. And accepting that is weirdly liberating. 4. Seneca. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Seneca nailed something we all do. We rehearse disasters in our head before they even happen. You're late for work? You imagine getting fired, losing your apartment, and ending up living under a bridge eating cold noodles from a can. Reality? Your boss probably didn't even notice. Think about Guts from Berserk. He faces literal demons. But he doesn't waste time imagining worse demons. He deals with the ones in front of him. Maybe that's the trick. Fight the battle you're in, not the one you invented. 5. Lao Tzu. Be like water. Water doesn't fight obstacles, it flows around them. It's patient, but over time it can carve through mountains. When you're stuck in traffic, when someone's yelling at you, when plans fall apart, try being water. Not frozen, not boiling, just moving around the problem. It's like in Kung Fu Panda when Master Oogway tells Pa, you are too concerned with what was and what will be. There's a saying, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. Cheesy? Yes. But bad days shrink when you stop wrestling them and start flowing past them. 6. Viktor Frankl. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Frankl survived Nazi concentration camps. If anyone knows about bad days, it's him. And he discovered something. Meaning is the ultimate shield. If your suffering has a purpose, you can endure almost anything. Look at Itachi Uchiha from Naruto. His entire life was pain, but he bore it because he believed in protecting his village. That purpose made the suffering bearable, even if it cost him everything. 7. Alan Watts. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. Bad days often come from one thing: change you didn't ask for. Lost your job? Breakup? Plans wrecked? Most people cling to what used to be. What says, let go? Dance with the chaos. Like in Rick and Morty, Rick knows the multiverse is unpredictable, meaningless, and a total mess. And yet, he rolls with it. Not always happily, but he keeps moving. 8. The Zen approach. This too shall pass. It's not just a motivational poster. It's a survival tactic.
That's the thing about
Every bad
business
day
deals.
eventually
Nobody
ends.
ever
Even the
expects
worst
fighters.
pain eventually fades or changes shape. It's like Sam from The Lord of the Rings. When Frodo was ready to quit, Sam said, "Even darkness must pass. A new day will come." And it did. Not because they sat around hoping, but because they kept going. How to apply pocket philosophy in real life. Step 1. Shrink the moment. Don't give the bad day more space in your head than it deserves. Step 2. Quote someone smarter. When you feel like screaming, whisper Marcus Aurelius instead. Step 3. Steal from anime protagonists. If Spike can shrug off explosions, you can shrug off Karen from accounting. Step 4. Be your own narrator. Pretend your bad day is just a scene in your life's movie. It will pass. The credits will roll. Bad days aren't optional, but suffering over them is. The Stoics, the pessimists, the wanderers, they all had one thing in common. They treated pain like weather. You don't have to like the rain, but you don't punch the clouds either. So, the next time the universe throws a brick at your face, remember, you can pick it up, build
that
something
gas
with
truck
it,
blows up, it'll
or
take out the
just
whole
let it
block.
fall and walk away.
What are you
Your
doing?
call.
Yeah, we're not doing